Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare virgin mojito. So let's check it how we are going to make it. And if you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you. To make virgin mojito, we have taken some mint leaves, some ice cubes, one big lemon, and a can of soda. And also we need some salt and some powdered sugar with this. In the second step, we need to crush some lemon and some mint leaves. Here I am adding some lemon in this pot. Next I am going to add some mint leaves, 5 to 6. Now I am going to crush it properly. In the last step, here we have taken a glass in which I am adding that crushed lemon and mint leaves. I am adding it all. Next, I am adding some seasonings into this. I am adding some salt and some sugar powder. You can add it according to your taste. Next, I am adding some ice cubes. After adding them, I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves into this. Now I'm going to add half cup of soda in this glass. Now I'm going to mix it properly. After mixing it, I'm going to add another cup of soda in this glass. So now friends, our virgin mojito is absolutely ready. Garnish it with some lemon and mint leaves. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you and have a good day.